Are you having trouble starting Facebook Live with an error that says we're having trouble starting your broadcast? Here's how to fix it. First, you need to check your camera and microphone settings or permissions. For that, open your settings, scroll all the way down, and go to apps. From this page, you need to simply search for Facebook application. And once you find it, go to its page and then go to permissions. Make sure that you've given permission or ensure that both camera and microphone are turned on. Live won't be working without these permissions. Also, try clearing the cache. Scroll down from this page, go to storage, click on clear cache, come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then try updating the Facebook application. Open the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Simply search for Facebook application. And if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on that, as using an old version of the app can cause live streaming errors. Also check the internet connection. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and always remember that live streaming needs a strong internet connection. You can also try turning the airplane mode on and then off. VPNs can also sometimes block live broadcasts, so turn them off to see if that fixes the issue. And try restarting your phone. Restarting your phone can refresh your entire system services and often resolve live issues. And you can also try uninstalling the Facebook application from your device and then reinstall it using the Play Store. Make sure that your account isn't temporarily restricted, and reinstalling Facebook will reset any corrupted app files and should completely fix the broadcast error. So that's it with this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.